Hey guys, get ready for the useful insights and exam tips from an industry-recognized trainer with more than 20 years experience to help you pass your upcoming CMFAS and CACS module exams. You are listening to Khinloke from cmfas-exam.com.sg. Hello everybody, please do not assume every formulas are provided during your M6A exam. You will come across the questions asking you to calculate the required margin of the extended settlement contracts. This calculation will be elaborated in page 273 of the study guide. You must memorize the formula. Thank you.